Puddle-Jumper, a fun phrase in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a quirky and interesting English phrase, puddle-jumper. This term may sound playful, but it's actually used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really enhance your English skills. So, let's jump right in. Puddle-jumper is a term that originated from its literal meaning. Imagine someone hopping over puddles of water on a rainy day. That's exactly the image this phrase conjures up. But in English, it has two main uses. Firstly, it often refers to a small, short-range aircraft used for traveling short distances. Secondly, it can describe someone or something that moves quickly or travels frequently over short distances, much like hopping over puddles. You might hear puddle-jumper in casual conversations, especially in contexts related to travel. For instance, someone might say, "I took a puddle-jumper to visit my friend in the neighboring city." Here, it's clear they're talking about a short flight. It's a playful term that adds a bit of humor or lightness to the conversation. Let's look at some examples. 1. The airport was full of puddle-jumpers, ready for regional flights. 2. I felt like a puddle-jumper, hopping from one meeting to another all day. In these sentences, the phrase is used to describe both an aircraft and a person's busy day, showcasing its versatility. Sometimes, this phrase appears in popular culture, like in TV shows or movies, especially when referencing small aircraft or describing a character with a hectic, travel-heavy lifestyle. It's not just a functional term, it's also a part of everyday English vocabulary that adds color and imagery to speech. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, puddle-jumper. I hope you found this video both informative and enjoyable. Remember, understanding such phrases can make your English more natural and fluent. So, next time you hear puddle-jumper, you'll know exactly what it means. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.